Hi, fifth grade astronomers. I hope you like visiting the International Space Station on Monday. Today, our virtual field trip will be to different sites in space. This is a really cool website. So after you finish watching the directions on how to use it, you're going to click on the link for the virtual sites in space. I think it's called 3D MChenlar, and it gives you 3D pictures of some different places in space that you can go and check out. So these are all the places you can pick. Today, I'd like you to pick at least 3. So if you choose more than 3, that's totally fine, but I'm going to ask you to tell me some observations you make on 3 of these. So let's pretend you want to go to Mars first. So you would click on the picture that's of the place you want to go. And when it opens, this is the first picture you can explore. But if you look down underneath the picture, Mars actually has 4 different pictures. You'll click on this tool here, and it will bring you to a 360 picture of the Namibe Dune. And can you see the little arrows? So I'm controlling, and it's basically like I can do a 360. So I can turn all the way around. I can see some mountains. While you look, I want you to make some observations. So some things I might write down on my travel log day 2 sheet for this is that the surface of Mars appears to be a brown, sandy. The sky looks nothing like our sky. It's not blue. It's like a tan or brown color. I see lots of sandy spots, some rocks. This part looks pretty flat, but there are definitely some mountains also. And I would write things like that down. And to get back to the other screen, on your keyboard, you're going to look for the escape button. It says ESC, and mine is in the upper left corner. I think that's normally where it is. If you can't find it, ask somebody at home to help you. So you press escape, and it brings you back. And then you could look at another picture, like the Pathfinder lander. And in this picture, I can see Mars has a lot more rocks. Again, I click on here, and then I can look around, do a 360. I can see some big boulders and rocks in this part. When I'm done, I press escape, ESC, and it'll take me out. Now to go back to the previous screen, you'll see up here all these little tabs of different places you could visit. Well, we're visiting space. So we're going to click on space, and that brings us back to all the other pictures. So then you could pick something else. Maybe you want to go to Jupiter or Saturn. You can pick all of the different things, and it works the same way. Once you finish observing your 3 different planets, you're going to go to Lisa Sherman posted an assignment, click on that. It'll bring you to a new video or a new window, and on the right side, they'll say your work, and you click on that document, and you can type in it. And I want you to share with me the 3 places you visited, and then there's a column in the table that says observations. I want you to fill in some observations, like I visited, you put Mars, and then you say Mars had a sandy, rocky surface. The sand was a brownish, reddish color. The sky was not blue like our sky. It was more of a tan color. Observations like that is what you're going to share with me, and you need to do 3. But totally, if you guys want to visit all of these, you definitely can. If you want to make observations on all of them, you can extend your table by adding in rows underneath the table. That's totally fine. Have fun exploring all of these cool planets.